Hey, this is Mike Addis. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to talk about royalty income as a passive income. So first of all, we have to define what a royalty payment is. So let's look at the IRS code, Internal Revenue Service code, for what a royalty is. And the definition is this, and I quote, "To be a royalty, a payment must relate to the use of a valuable right. Payments for the use of trademarks, trade names, service marks, or copyrights, whether or not payment is based on the use made of such property, are ordinarily classified as royalties for federal tax purposes." In my particular case, I have developed certain proprietary information on how to run asset recovery businesses, and I have put that in a copyright written format. Then I give it to a company, and that company produces income as the result of this information, and then it is paid back to me in the form of a royalty payment. Here's the good news about royalty payments. So if you create your own company and your company pays you in the form of a royalty, there is no Social Security deduction taken out. That's a very important item that you might want to think about a little bit and consider. So companies that you own, the royalty payment to you, assuming it's a C corporation, does not come under income, and the payroll tax is not applied. That's one of the good things about getting paid through royalties. Now, what are the other forms of royalty payments? You can go and buy publicly traded oil and gas companies that pay out royalties. Some of them pay them out monthly. So just look at royalty payments from oil and gas. Real estate investment trusts. That's just a percentage of the income, so I wouldn't consider that to be a royalty. So you can go out there and Google royalty payments. However, if you're getting royalty payments from publicly traded companies that anyone else can buy, the royalty payments are not usually that big. Could be 5%, 10%. The better the royalty payment, the less money you're going to make. So if you can create your own royalty stream, that's truly passive income. For example, I have books, and those books pay me what I consider to be a royalty. Why? Because I don't produce anything anymore. It's true passive income. So royalty payment streams are true passive income. You get the royalty payment every month or every quarter or every year. Preferably you get it every month. But you have to produce something to get the royalty payment. You don't just get them. So if you can get a royalty like everybody else in the world that goes out and tries to get income, passive income, that's the purpose of the video, royalties and passive income. You can't, if everyone else can get it, then there really isn't going to be much of a return on your investment. So you're going to have to put up hundreds of thousands of dollars if you want to have real ongoing royalty income. Another form of true passive income would be Social Security. So you have to work 40 years to get that one. You have to be 62 to get it. That's true passive income. You don't do anything. Or dividends that you get from companies that you own. If you own Apple or you own Google, doesn't pay out any, and neither does Amazon. But the banks pay out royalties. So Bank of America, not royalties, they pay out dividends. Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, they'll pay you dividends. That's true passive income. We've talked about this in other videos. But today's video is about royalty income. So royalty income is something that you have created. You've created some kind of a patent or a trademark or a song, for example, or a video that you've copyrighted, and someone's going to use that song. You're going to get paid a royalty. Passive income requires little to no effort. Renting an apartment building, for example, that usually takes effort. So net income from royalty and lease payments is not considered, in the form of lease payments from a commercial building, that's not considered passive income. Okay, so royalties that you create, like oil and gas royalties or book royalties or royalties from some ideas that you had, or trademarks of copyrights and patents, that is considered income in the form of passive income, in my opinion. This is Mike Addis. Thanks for joining us. A little blurb today on passive income as it relates to royalty income. Do some research on royalty payments. There's all kinds of information that you can check out there, royalty income definition by bank rates, and all kinds of things that you can Google on royalty income, how to create it, how to get it, and where you can buy it today. It's Mike Addis, Carlsbad, California, October 19th, 2020. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscriber button. We appreciate you doing that, and we also appreciate your comments so we can get better on these videos. See you on the next video.